In this video, we are going to determine the positions of points relative to a circle. We need to determine whether each of the following points lies inside, outside, or on the circle C. To do that, we need to know the distance between the given point and the center and compare it with the radius. If the distance is greater than the radius, that point lies outside the circle. If it's equal to the radius, that point lies on the circle. And if it's smaller than the radius, that point lies inside the circle. So the first things we need to find are the coordinates of the center and the radius. Note that the equation of the circle is written in the general form, so we can find these two pieces of information easily. The coordinates of the centers are negative d over 2, negative e over 2. That is negative of negative 6 over 2, negative 8 over 2. That is 3, negative 4. And the radius is the square root of h squared plus k squared minus f. So it's a square root of 3 squared plus negative 4 squared minus 16, which equals 3. Then the next step is straightforward. We find the distance between each of the given points and the center and see if the distance is greater than or equal to or smaller than 3. Part A. The given point is A, 6, negative 4. Note that the y-coordinates of this point and the center are the same, so the distance between these 2 points is simply the distance between the x-coordinates, that is 6 minus 3, that is 3. It's equal to the radius. Therefore, we can tell that A lies on the circle C. If we sketch a figure out, it would be something like this. Part B. The point is the origin O, that is 0, 0. Using the distance formula, we find that the distance is 5, which is greater than the radius 3. Therefore, the origin lies outside the circle C. Part C. The point is B, 1, negative 3. Again, use the distance formula to find the distance between B and the center. It equals square root of 5. Using the calculator, it's 2.236 something. So it's smaller than the radius 3. Therefore, B lies inside the circle C. That's it.